What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video I've got this MPOW H12 IPO ANC wireless headphones. Thanks to MPOW team for sending out this review unit, and we're going to be unboxing these. This is kind of the latest model of the H12 series. If you remember from several years, there was H12 that we reviewed, but it's no longer in the market, and this is the IPO model, which has the Type-C port, Type-C connection. It is also water resistant and CVC 8.0 and quite a few other features, like it's got Bluetooth 5, deep bass, noise isolation microphone, CVC 8.0, 40 hours of runtime, Type-C, foldable, etc., and all those good things at a very reasonable price. And as you can see on this box, you've got the CVC 8.0, deep bass, Bluetooth 5 mentioned, and actual noise cancellation as well. This is the model BH427A, and this is kind of the box. Foldable as well, soft and comfortable like cushion, active noise cancellation, and some features additionally mentioned on the side. And at the back you've got the version, pretty much the same set of information. The operational range is 33 feet 10 meters with the Bluetooth, and the impedance of 32 ohms. Charging time of 2.5 hours, and it's obviously got the Type-C port, which is very convenient. The H12 in the past was a micro USB port, so this is a welcome addition, but it's taken quite a bit of time to come to this point. Yeah, anyway, so you got the 600 mAh battery in this, 3.7 volts, 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response, and manufacturer is, as you know, MPOW Technology Limited. And if you look at the MPOW website, mpow.com, xmpow.com in fact, you'd see this to be priced at £42 or something. But if you buy this from AliExpress, this would cost you about £16. What? It's a massive difference, as you know, but yeah, that's how things work. Nothing much mentioned around the box, and let's just quickly open the box and see what we have inside.
Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands, and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue.
Alright, so what we get in there is essentially the item itself, which seems to be in some sort of dust. Very strange. It's got some cables as standard, very standard. It's just the Type-C, but it's also got the aux cable, which is kind of from the past. I'm just sort of reminded of the H12. We don't need these things. I'm gonna just skip the user manual, user guide. Obviously it's just got the spec that we know, CVC 8.0, Bluetooth 5, and all that kind of stuff. These are just standard headphones to get you through the day, really. Nothing major, nothing specific, and I'm sort of stuck in this kind of knot. Right, so there we have the item itself. It's in here in the folded condition. At first I can feel that it's feathery soft on the top. Also the cushions for the ears, they are really nice and soft. You've got very nice tactile buttons. You've got the aux port. You've got the LED light, which would tell you when this is turned on, turned off, etc. And on this side, on the other one, you've got the Type-C port. Brilliant. It's got some scratches I can see for some reason, but very minor, so I don't mind. The ANC as standard, active noise cancellation, MPOW branding on both the sides, which I don't like, to be honest. You don't need so much branding, it should be just somewhere very minimal, but here we are. Right side, left side, and you've got some model information, FCC ID as well, BH427A, serial number 21E12. FCC ID mentioned over here. So what you do is with these, you can just simply pull them out and they get locked, or they not. Ooh, this is different. They used to be locked like that, but they don't. Okay, so there's no locking functionality with these. And it's got some scratches everywhere, in fact. Anyway, yeah, it used to lock like that with the H12. This is different, but everything else seems to be all right. I don't like this because this is going to tear apart, or yeah, this is going to go away. It's going to tear itself apart, I'm pretty sure. It's like, use it and then fold it. You don't need to sort of lock it anyway. So that's kind of the thinking there. And to turn it on, just press this button, power on, and then pair it with your phone or whatever, and that should sort of do the job for you. It's kind of standard Bluetooth procedure, as you know. You need to just, it's in pairing mode, and then you need to find your phone, and then in your Bluetooth discovery setting, just find this specific item, and you should be good to go. Might do a full review about this specific item in terms of its audio quality, sound signature, bass, etc. But for now, this is all that I have in this video. If you've got any questions or queries, please do let me know. Please do share your comments, questions, queries, etc. in the comments section, or email and other forums, other channels, social media. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.